I am Aligar Lingappa, Assistant Professor in Physics, Government Postgrad College, Sirguppa. Today we are going to discuss about the nuclear forces and the characteristics of nuclear forces. So we know that in our nature we have four basic forces. They are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, nuclear weak force and nuclear strong force. Where gravitational force is the weakest force in our nature and nuclear strong force is the strongest force in our nature. Then what is nuclear force? What are the characteristics of nuclear force? We know that the atom, which consists of central massive and positively charged nucleus, around which negatively charged electrons revolving in different orbits. Then protons and neutrons, they are the constituents of nucleus. There must be force of repulsion between the protons. So one more force which overcome that electromagnetic force, the force of repulsion between the protons, such a force is called nuclear force. The nuclear forces which holds the nucleons within the nucleus. The origin of nuclear forces cannot be electromagnetic, gravitational or weak nuclear force. Is the strongest force that exists in our nature. So now we have discussed about characteristics of nuclear forces. So first one, they are strongest force, attractive forces in our nature, in nature. That means the nuclear strongest force which is equal to 10 to the 21 times that of the electromagnetic force. Nuclear strongest force which is equal to 10 to the 38 times that of the gravitational force. Nuclear strong force which is equal to 10 to the 12 times that of the nuclear weak force. So that the nuclear force is the strongest force in nature. There are short range forces. That means the nuclear strong forces, they exist only within the nucleus. That means inside the nucleus. No nuclear strong forces outside the nucleus. Then the radius of the nucleus is in the order of Fermi, so-called 10 to the minus 15 meter. So, the nuclear forces, the range of nuclear forces is equal to the radius of the nucleus. So-called, they are short-range forces. What we know that the gravitational force, the range of the gravitational force is infinity, which exert its influence up to infinity. But the nuclear forces, they exert their influence up to the distance 10 to the minus 15 meter, so that they are short range forces. They are saturated forces. So that means that each nucleon which interact with only the limited number of neighboring nucleons. So because of that, they are called saturated forces. They are charge independent forces. Why they are called charge independent forces? So because the force or nuclear force between proton and proton is equal to neutron is equal to proton and neutron. That means which is an independent of charge. Where proton and proton, they are the two charged particles. So the nuclear force between these two charged particles, say proton and proton, must be equal to the force between the nuclear force between two uncharged particles, say neutron and neutron, and also equal to the force, the nuclear force between a proton and a neutron. So the nuclear forces, they are charge independent forces. They are non-central forces. The force between two nucleons does not along the line joining the centers, where gravitational force is the central force. Electromagnetic force is the central force. But the nuclear forces, they are non-central forces. Then the sixth one, they are spin-dependent forces. What we know that the nucleus, inside the nucleus, they possess a spin motion. They possess arbitrary motion and also spin motion. So there are nuclear forces between the nucleons. So they are spin dependent forces. The force between two nucleons with a parallel spin is stronger than the force between, so force between two on that means anti-parallel spin. Anti-parallel spin. If suppose two nucleons, if they are rotating in the same direction, then they are called parallel spin. If they are rotating in opposite directions, then anti-parallel spin. So the force, the nuclear force between two nucleons with a parallel spin is stronger than that between two nucleons with anti-parallel spin. So seventh one, there are non-gravitational forces. Why they are called non-gravitational forces? So because the nuclear forces, they are independent of mass of the proton, that means the mass of the nucleons. So the nuclear forces which does not depend on the mass of the proton and mass of the neutron. So they are non-gravitational forces because the gravitational force which depend on the mass of the nucleons. Then eighth one, they are exchange forces. So here the gravitational force exchange force, electromagnetic force exchange force, weak force, that means weak nuclear force exchange force, then the nuclear strong force is also exchange force. In case of gravitational force, where the graviton, so that means the particle which can exchange between the two bodies during gravitational interaction. Similarly, during electromagnetic interaction between two charges, their phonon which can exchange between the two particles, charged particles, continuously. Where phonons, they are the exchange particles for electromagnetic force. Graviton, they are exchange particles for gravitational force. So similarly, in case of nuclear weak force, where bosons are the exchange particles, then similarly, the nuclear strong forces, they are exchange forces during the interaction between the nucleus, during the strong nuclear interaction. There must be exchange the particles, so they are called mesons. There are three types of mesons: pi naught mesons, pi plus mesons, and pi naught mesons. Where pi naught, pi plus, and pi minus, they are the mesons, they are exchange particles. They can exchange during the nuclear strong interaction between the nucleons. Between the interaction between proton and proton, maybe the interaction between proton and neutron, maybe the interaction between neutron and neutron. So, the nuclear forces are exchange forces. So that means the study of nuclear forces, the nature of the nuclear forces, properties of the nuclear forces. So thank you.